Is the source of love the brain or the heart? I can tell you that the question of whether love comes from the brain or the heart is a long-standing debate. From a scientific perspective, love is a complex emotion that involves multiple brain regions and chemical signals. Studies have shown that various hormones and neurotransmitters, such as dopamine, oxytocin, and serotonin, play important roles in feelings of love and attachment. Additionally, brain scans have revealed that different areas of the brain light up when people are experiencing love or romantic attraction. However, the heart has been traditionally associated with love in many cultures, and the idea of the heart as the source of love has been deeply ingrained in poetry, literature, and art. While the heart is responsible for pumping blood throughout the body, it does not have a direct role in generating emotions. In summary, love is a complex phenomenon that involves both the brain and the heart, but it is ultimately the brain that plays a primary role in generating and processing the emotions associated with love. The source of love is actually the brain, not the heart. While it is common to associate feelings of love and affection with the heart, scientific research has shown that love and other emotions are actually produced and regulated by the brain. The brain is responsible for releasing a complex mix of hormones and neurotransmitters, including dopamine, oxytocin, and serotonin, which contribute to feelings of attraction, attachment, and pleasure. These chemicals work together to create the subjective experience of love. While the heart does play an important role in the circulatory system and is vital for keeping us alive, it does not have a direct connection to our emotions or feelings of love. The idea that love comes from the heart is likely a cultural metaphor that has been passed down through literature, art, and popular culture. Scientifically speaking, love is a complex emotion that involves a range of biological, psychological, and social factors. While the heart has traditionally been associated with emotions like love and affection, it is actually the brain that plays a primary role in producing and regulating these feelings. Neuroscience research has shown that love involves the activation of various regions in the brain, including the amygdala, the ventral tegmental area (VTA), and the prefrontal cortex. These areas are involved in processes like reward, motivation, and decision-making, which are crucial to romantic and social bonds. In summary, while the heart is often symbolically associated with love, it is the brain that is ultimately responsible for generating and regulating this complex emotion. The source of love is a complex and multifaceted concept, and there is no clear answer to whether it originates from the brain or the heart. Love is a combination of biological, psychological, and social factors that work together to create feelings of affection and attachment towards someone. From a biological perspective, love involves the release of various chemicals in the brain, such as dopamine, oxytocin, and serotonin, which create feelings of pleasure, bonding, and happiness. Therefore, some people argue that love originates from the brain. On the other hand, the heart has long been associated with emotions, including love. The idea of the heart being the source of love is deeply rooted in cultural and artistic expressions, such as poetry, literature, and music. While the heart doesn't actually produce feelings of love, it remains a symbol of love and emotional connection. You must live with love.